Good morning. Y'all know your girl is on winter break. Yay! I gotta put some lotion on my hands. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and follow me on Instagram, as well as using my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. You are my MVP. My MVP. I'm gonna make up a dance one day, but you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Y'all, oh my gosh, today is very close to Christmas. Today is the 22nd. I have to go to Best Buy to try to find Damon a gift. I think I'm gonna buy him the VR system. I'm kind of on the fence about it. It's either gonna be the VR or a cell phone. I kind of don't want to buy him a cell phone because I don't quite think he's ready for a cell phone yet. So I'm kind of leaning more to the VR system. So I gotta do that. I think I'm gonna go to Aldi and I might pass on Aldi, because they don't have anything I'm looking for. Yes, they do have those ornament candles. I think they're 99¢, but I know I'm not gonna buy none of those. So I might skip out on that. I kind of want to go to Bath and Body Works just to look around and see if they have any spring candles out yet. But the only thing about that is these are the last few days of Christmas shopping, and y'all know the stores is going to be jam-packed. That's the reason why I really don't want to go, but I'm kind of forced to go. And that's another reason why I kind of want to get the phone, because I know I could just do an online order and then pick up at the store. As far as Apple, as far as Best Buy, I don't really trust it. I'm not going to do a buy online, pick up at the store. Even though it do say it'll be ready in an hour, I don't trust it. I ordered a SD card a couple of weeks ago for in-store pickup. Why did it take a week for them to even notify me and say that it was ready? So I'm just going to go to the store and just buy it. I really need to eat something because I haven't ate anything. Only thing I had was coffee. That's what I normally do early in the morning. And then I usually eat my lunch around 12, and it's almost 12 now. I usually try to eat between 12 and 7, or 12 and 8, I should say. How I started doing intermittent fasting, I don't know. That's just something I've always done forever. But I do have some of this that I made last night. This is a homemade quesadilla, and it just have like that corn salsa, which has corn, black beans, pico, and cheese on it. That's the only thing that's on this, because I like meat, but on certain things I really don't eat meat. But so that's what that is. And I know it's not the traditional style of a quesadilla, but I just love it. I just love it. I even like the vegetarian refried beans on this, and then put some cheese and some pico on it. I just like it. That's just me, and it might be kind of weird, but that's what I like. So what else? Also, I finally got my order from Zara. Super shocked that it came early. It actually was supposed to be delivered today, but it was delivered yesterday. And I will post a picture so y'all can see exactly what I got. I got that universal oud candle. I've been wanting to smell this scent since I found out about it. I'm thinking about buying the perfume, but first I decided to try the candle. So I got the candle, and I also got Gracefully Madrid perfume. Oh my God, that's what I'm wearing today. So good. It's supposed to be a dupe for MFK, that universal one. I don't even know the name of it, but I'll post a picture. It's supposed to be a dupe for that, and I know that I really, really like that scent. So I'd rather pay $30 versus $300. You know what I'm saying? So yes, that's the order I got in yesterday, and I'm actually wearing that perfume today. so good. I really, really like it. The only thing I dislike about Zara fragrances, they don't really last long. You probably get about, some scents you get like 5 hours. You have to kind of sort of overspray Zara fragrances, or either put the little travel spray thing, just put it in that, and then you can spray later on throughout the day. But I love Zara fragrances. I got a number of fragrances from Zara. And y'all know, your girl, I like high-end, low-end, whatever it is that I like, I'ma try. It don't matter what the price is. You know, if it's something I like, I'ma try to get it. You know, so I know some people only do niche or luxury. As far as me, I get it all. Whatever I like, that's what I'm gonna get. So I look like I've been talking for a little bit, so let's head on over to Best Buy and Bath and Body Works and see what we can find. I ain't gonna be out in these streets that long because I already know it's gonna be busy and I can't do it. So let's head on to the store, y'all. As y'all see, my store did get these new single wick candles in. These actually been out for a little minute now, but I think it's new to this store. We did get this collection. I think this collection is so nice, but I did not buy any of these candles because I actually already own probably all of them. So I passed on that, and I just kind of looked around. I really love the way that green jar looked. But yeah, I passed on a lot of these candles. I was just really looking to see if they had anything for semi-annual sale, you know, items out. Again, they were doing this $16.50 sale on the 3-wick candles. And again, I didn't buy anything. I was just only looking. Super shocked that I actually didn't buy nothing, but I didn't. And I'm assuming they put these candles out for semi-annual sale. I asked the young lady and she said they were regular price. So I'm assuming these are some of the candles that's going to be probably 50% or maybe 75%. I don't know, but my store did have those candles. This store also had tons of these soap holders. I don't know why nobody is buying them. And then here is the new spring collection for the wallflowers. I just looked through those super quick. I don't need none of them. So I passed on that as well. Like I said, I was only looking. This store also has some of the spring room sprays. I still haven't smelled that t-shirt fragrance yet, so I do plan on buying that. I might swap something out for it. Also, they had some of the spring hand soaps as well. I really like the way these bottles look. Super cute. I thought I'd be able to find it, but I could not find it. Oh, here it is, right here. Okay, this was the system that I was thinking about getting. It's like an all-in-one. You don't need a computer or another gaming system. It just operates on its own. But I kind of changed my mind about it, so I did not purchase this item. I might get it in the future, but as of now, it's a pass. Even though I'm still kind of on the fence about it. As you do see the price, and that's for 128 gigs, and I think this one is for like 200 and something gigs. So I don't know. I'm still on the fence about it. So now I decided to go check out the phones just to see pricing, and I didn't even know that they had a 13 mini. So I started looking at that and comparing the specs on it, but again, the actual one I was looking for, they didn't have. So I end up getting nothing. So we shall see.
We have the regular 12 and 64 gigs.
This was a wasted trip, to be real honest. I didn't find anything at Bath and Body Works, which I knew I wasn't going to find anything at Bath and Body Works. I actually wasn't going for anything. I just wanted to see if they had any of the new spring candles out. And as y'all see, they did have those one with the little funny little jar, the funny lid on it. They did have those, which I don't need them because I actually already have those in my collection, so I don't really need them. As far as Best Buy, that was a wasted trip because the VR that I was going to buy, it does not work with Xbox. So I didn't know that. I thought it did. Come to find out, the system operates on its own. So like the games that my son have, he probably won't be able to play it. You know, I would have to buy all those games separate. So that's the reason why I kind of decided not to get that one, because a lot of his friends is on Xbox and, you know, he ain't gonna be able to play with them. So I decided against that. I think I'm gonna go to Microsoft website and see if they have a VR. As far as the phone, I was originally looking at the iPhone 12 mini, but I think if I do the phone, I'm going to get the iPhone 13 mini. But I have to do it like a chat online or call and then pick up in the store, because I already know if I go to the store, it's going to be an all day thing, because I'm sure those lines is super, super long. So I'm just going to call them, place the order over the phone, and then probably pick it up tomorrow. So I guess this is to be continued, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully I find what I'm looking for. I know he really wants a phone. Like I said earlier, I'm really, really on the fence about a phone. I'm really on the fence about that. I'm actually on the fence about both of these things. But to be real honest, my son really don't want anything. He gave me a list, and his list is Robux, cell phone, computer, and that's it. And he wanted some game. I forgot the name of the game he wanted. And that was it. So I know I don't want to get him a computer, because he have an iPad. He have a Switch. He have the Xbox. So why do you need a computer? I don't know. So I'm not going to get that. So more than likely it's going to be the Xbox. It's going to be some Robux. And it's probably going to be the VR system if I could find what I'm looking for. So yeah, this either going to be continued tomorrow or I'm going to just end it here. I don't know, but I'm going to say this little part just in case I don't come back. So don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave me some comments. Let me know what are the top 2 things that you bought your kids for Christmas that was on their wish list. Leave that at the bottom, because I don't be knowing what the heck to buy. These kids don't be knowing. That's all they want to do is be on the game, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. Thumbs up, leave me some comments, follow your girl on Instagram, use my hashtag, hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all in the next video, or we gonna flip it to the next day. So peace or welcome. We'll see. Who knows?